Good morning. Today is October 9, 2015, Friday, and this is my price outlook for crude oil. It's the November contracts. I apologize for my sniffling. My allergies have been killing me. Texas is not the friendliest weather right now because of all these weather fluctuations. It's crazy. Anyhow, so I think I've been mentioning on all my past videos that there is a huge upside to the move of crude oil. I think the last strong movement high was this candle, and I believe that was a Friday, so 10 yep, I remember this day. And I believe I made a video posted on this one saying that, I didn't want to participate in the short just because I know that these levels are fairly strong and being supported. I think this is where fundamentals meet technical, just because of the fact that, as I mentioned in my past videos, that I've been following all the rig counts and inventory level just in the Oklahoma area, and just those two data alone, I feel that the reason for this price movement is because of oil rig is starting to, lessen on a weekly basis as far as the count, and also inventory levels are also lowering down. So what does that mean? I think what it means is that there is a supply, or the demand for oil will remain the same, being coming into the holiday season and traveling. And not only that, inventory is kind of drying out. So when those two collides, that being the fundamentals and the technical portion of this trading, then I'm confident that the upside is on its way. But that's not to say that it's just going to keep going up and buy. And so I marked this up in my chart yesterday that potential rejection in these price levels might take place, and I think that's happening now. It's too early in the morning for me to trade. So high today is 1592. So is it going to come down today? The question. I think it's going to be a narrow green day. I think what's going to happen, if I go back to the daily, it's just not visually that way. Let's go back to the daily and blow this up. So let's spend some time here in the daily. I think there are certain areas for support. So of course I'm looking at this pivot here to hold 49.70 level. Next one would be like 40, the $50 level, like 49.90, around that area. And lastly, of course you have the today's low. If it'll test that, I believe it double bottom already during the European session. So I don't. There might be a good chance that this thing, might not even test that today. I think there'll be a quick narrow one, but so I'm watching the 50.5, this supply area. So as you can see, price got rejected there and just slide back down directly, and so I'm anticipating that some rejection, strong rejection, will take place at these areas. So my next target would be, of course, this gap fill that's possible at 56, almost 56.5. Let's just call it 56.5, and then price rejection here again at 59.73. But it's a long way up. That's a long way up from where we are right now. So of course he has to chew through all these levels here before he even tries to test that. But I think there's a good likelihood, a good chance that might take over. The only thing that I can see, that a price might retrace back to this area is because Alcoa reported its earnings today, and from what I could see, it missed the estimate due to China weakness, and the only thing that concerns me is that the weakness in their economy might affect the oil price, just because China being one of the country's biggest consumer of oil, then this might affect the price of crude. Anyway, so that's it for me. I wanted to keep this short and sweet. If you have any questions, just leave a comment in this video. Like the video or follow me on Twitter. If any questions or topics of discussion that you want me to cover, I can certainly help out. I'm not the subject matter expert, or at least I don't claim to be, but I do have some experience, and I've been trading for, I've been trading crude for almost 6 months now, and trading in general, I've been trading for about a few years, so I do have some experience. So I know there are some newbies out there looking for information, and there's not a whole lot of companies out there will just disclose these information to you. So anything that you can just get out of just Google searching, then by my definition, you're already doing the job. It's just a matter of finding the right information. So I hope that makes sense. Just give me, like I said, just shoot me an email if you have any questions. Anything I can do to help you out, then just let me know. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Good luck on your training today, and happy Friday. Goodbye.